So Ssense is having one of their seasonal sales right now, and I decided to pick up a couple things. As you can see, there's everything I got, so let's get right into it. Alright, so here's everything I ordered. As you can see, 5 pieces in total. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of them, give you a close-up look at it, and then I'm going to throw it on just so you can see how it fits and just give you my overall thoughts on it. So make sure to stay tuned for that, and now let's get right into it. First with the Palm Angel shirt. Alright, so first shirt is going to be the Palm Angel shirt, and as you can see, I got it in red. And just give you a closer look at it, it has Palm Angels on the front, and this is like a felt material. It's not screen printed, so it's really nice quality. And here you go, here's the tag. It says Palm Angels on it. The back has nothing on it, as you can see. And then I'll show you the hang tags for it. So this shirt comes with a little security tag. That's what it's supposed to have on it, but I'm just personally not gonna put it on just because I don't really like it. But on the security tag, it says Palm Angels, and then it says for your pleasure. So you can rock this if you want. It is removable, so that's really nice about that. And then here's the back of the tag in case you're wondering. So now I'm gonna throw this on so you can see how it looks. All right, so here's what the shirt looks like on. As you can see, it fits pretty well. I got an XL, which is my normal size, and as you can see, the neck of it's kind of small. I don't know if it's just because the tag's pulling, but neck hole is pretty small, so if you have a huge head, this might not work for you. And sleeve length's really nice, not like too short, not too long, so it fits really well. And then lengthwise, fits like a normal XL, so I would go true to size on this. And this is overall a really nice shirt, really nice simple design. Can't really go wrong with it. This is my kind of style, so really happy with this. This was, I think, $125 on Ssense, somewhere around that range. Retailed for like $260, I think, so got a pretty good deal on it. So that's it for the Palm Angel shirt. Now on to the next one. All right, so next shirt is gonna be the cheapest one I got, and it's the Polythene optic shirt. I don't know if you guys heard of this brand, but I haven't really heard of it before I looked on Ssense, and I thought they had some really nice stuff, really nice simple stuff, which is what I like. I like the nice, clean, simple design, so thought I'd pick it up. It was only $19, so it's a pretty cheap shirt, and retail on it was like $60, so it was a pretty good deal in my opinion. But on the front, it says Polythene in their font going down the side, and it's in a vertical font. And here's the tag for it. It's a clear tag with a zip tie. There's some wannabe off-whites, and got a double XL because they ran out of XL, so this may fit a little big. And then on the back, it just says Polythene, their little graphic on it. So really nice, clean shirt. So now I'm gonna throw it on just so you can see what it looks like. All right, so here we go. I threw it on. It fits a little bit bigger than the Palm Angel shirt. As you can see, the sleeves are a little bit longer, and the neck hole is actually a little bit bigger than the Palm Angels, but fits really good. I would definitely go true to size. I just had to go size up just because they didn't have my size. But if you want a looser fit, you could definitely go size up. This is a size up from normally what I get. So it still fits really well. I'll definitely be rocking this. So either way, really nice shirt, nice clean design. Just has a little graphic on the front, and as you can see, it has the graphic going across the back. So really happy with this purchase. Now on to the next one. All right, so the last shirt I bought was this Y3 one. So another clean, simple design on this shirt. As you can see, it's kind of hard to tell that this is Y3 just because it has Y3, and this is like a rubbery plastic material. This isn't screen printed, so it's like heat pressed on. It's not screen print, so it's really nice quality. It's like a plasticky, rubbery feel. So it's kind of hard to tell this is Y3 just because the graphic's the same color as the shirt, but it's really nice. I wanted to pick up a black Y3 shirt, but all the ones I wanted ran out of stock, so that was pretty unfortunate, but I still wanted one. I was happy to pick this one up. Here's the tag for it. It just says Y3 and then nothing on the back. And here's the wash tag. I got an XL, true to size. They had my size in this one. All the other shirts for Y3 I wanted didn't have my size, so that was unfortunate. And the back is just really plain, as you can see. So now I'm gonna throw it on. All right, so I threw it on. The shirt fits a little bit looser than the Palm Angels one, and that was an XL. So this is more in between like an XL and a double XL, I would say. So sleeves are kind of the same length, but just like in the torso area, it's a little bit looser. And then it says Y3, so you can kind of see it, but if you're far away, you wouldn't be able to. So if you want to rock something and you don't want like other people to know what you're rocking, this is definitely a good option. This was like less than $50. So it's like a mid-range shirt, so I thought it was a pretty good deal. I think retails also, I think close to 100, maybe a little more, but probably not too much over 100 if that. So overall, I'm really happy with the shirt. I'll definitely be wearing it in the summer. So that's all the shirts I got. Now I'm gonna show you the hoodie I got. All right, so now I'm gonna show you the hoodie I got. This was the most expensive piece I got and the main one I got. So as you can see, it's a off-white hoodie from the label. So it says off-white in the upper left chest, and then this little tag that says just letter A, and the hoodie strings have some wording on them. It says Off-White Virgil Abloh. This might be upside down. and on the other one it says shoelaces, so just like the Nike shoes, and the tips of these laces are rubber coated, so I think some of the Nike shoes that are off-white also have this, so that's pretty cool. It just gives it a little more detail. And then on the arms it has the typical off-white lines, and then on the back it has the arrows, and this is the unfinished one, so as you can see one of the arrows doesn't have its point to it. And here are the tags it comes with, typical off-white tags. I'm kind of sad that they don't use the zip tie anymore. They use like a smaller one, so hopefully they bring that back eventually, but I doubt it. This is definitely my favorite piece that I got from Ssense. This is the first hoodie I've had in probably like 5 or 6 years. I haven't really been much of a hoodie guy, but decided to go back into it, and I wanted to start out with an off-white one just because I've always wanted one. I got this hoodie in a double XL, and if you know off-white, usually off-white runs oversized, so I wanted this hoodie to fit pretty big, so it kind of does. Now I'll throw it on just so you can see what it looks like. All right, so here we go. I tried on the hoodie. As you can see, it fits really big. That's how I wanted it to fit, so I got a double XL, and that's probably a size bigger than what I should have. This one fits on the slimmer side though, that's what it said on the website. Probably if I would've got a different hoodie, it would've fit a lot bigger than this, but I actually really like how this fits. And as you can see, the sleeves are long in my arms like I wanted, so that's pretty cool. And then here, check this out. The hood is freaking huge. Like you can cover almost your whole face with it. So, you know, I got that Darth Sidious vibe from Star Wars to it. So kind of cringe, but I'll never do that. So you won't ever see me do that. And just give you a quick 360 around. As you can see, overall, really nice hoodie. I'll be definitely wearing this a lot. Nice subtle off-white hoodie. It's not like one of those ones that you know it's an off-white hoodie. You kind of have to look at it just because it's only the outlines of the pattern. So that's pretty good. I don't really want a bunch of people knowing I spent almost $300 on a hoodie, but this is my first hoodie, so you know, I had to start off with the banger, you know. So maybe in the future I'll get a better hoodie than this, but probably not. I'll probably just keep this one for a while just because it's so fire. Little drawstrings are also really fire. They got that wax coating on them, so you know, they don't like fray or anything. So little nice touch. So overall, this is my favorite piece that I got from Ssense. So that's it for the hoodie. Now on to the last item, so let's get right into it. All right, so and the last clothing piece I got were a pair of shorts, and these are made by Kasubae, and these are some sweat shorts. Now Kasubae is like mainly known for their jeans, but I don't wear jeans so far, so maybe in the future I'll get a pair, but as of right now I don't wear jeans. I'm not really that big of a fan of them. If I did get a pair of jeans, they'd probably be black though. That's probably the only pair of jeans I would wear. But these shorts are just so nice. The details on them is crazy. So we got the drawstrings, zip pockets so your phone doesn't fall out, and then the sides of the shorts, I don't know if you'll be able to see, it says Kasubae going down the whole line, so I think that's a really nice touch. I didn't know that when I first got them, so that's really cool. And this material is more of like a swimsuit material. And then also bottom leg, on the right leg has the little Kasubae logo, so that's pretty cool. It's embroidered. And then here's the back of them. It has 2 back pockets, and then it has, on the back it has little pluses like all the other Kasubae pants. So now I'll throw these on so you can see how they look, so let's get right into it. All right, so here's what the shorts look like. As you can see, they go above the knees. I got a large, fit really nice. It has the nice detail on the side, and I don't know if you'll be able to see if the pluses are on the back, but here they are. So pretty nice subtle shorts. I'll be wearing these a ton in the summer. These are really comfortable, and they're actually pretty cheap. They're only like $48, so that's pretty cheap for a pair of shorts. I think these retail above 100, so got a pretty good deal on them. So I'm pretty happy with these. Overall, these are really nice. They have zip pockets, as you can see, so your stuff doesn't fall out. So I think that's always nice to have on shorts. I usually like to buy stuff that has zip pockets just so I know I'm not gonna lose my phone if it falls out somewhere. So overall, I'm really happy with these. These are probably the best shorts in my collection right now, so I'm really happy I got them, and I highly suggest you guys pick up a pair as well. So that is it for everything I ordered off of Ssense. Overall, I'm really happy with all my pickups, and this is by far my biggest Ssense order I've ever made. And if you want to see what else I've picked up from them before, I'll leave links in the description of the other videos I've made for the stuff I picked up. Also, make sure to leave a comment down below if you picked up anything from Ssense this season. I'd be really interested to see if you guys picked up anything as well. Also, before the video ends, make sure to leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And also, please subscribe to my channel. I'd also appreciate it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.